Hello, Facebook users. In this video, we'll show you how to edit the current city in your profile on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook and log in to your account. Step 2. Click on your profile photo from the top right corner and open your profile. Step 3. Click on About. Step 4. In the Places Lived tab, click on the 3 dots icon next to the current city. Step 5. Click on Edit Current City. Step 6. Choose the desired city from the options provided. Step 7. Click Save. That's it. You have successfully edited the current city in your Facebook profile. Now, your friends and connections can see your updated city information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.